Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the specs of Roborock S8 with the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10, and we're going to look on the main differences. So when we can look here, the first big difference is the suction power. You're going to have better for Roborock S8 because you're going to have 6000 PA comparing to 4000 Xiaomi PA. The battery life is similar. Then the navigation is better for the Roborock S8. You're going to have reactive 3D obstacle avoidance, precise LiDAR navigation comparing to LDS laser navigation by Xiaomi. In mopping system, you can have a Roborock Sonic mopping system that is also better for like you're comparing to Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10 that got intelligent control with just the water levels. Now the app control is similar. When you can look here, dustbin capacity, I was like researching and I found like some different information here, but it's like primarily 400. So in that regard, the Xiaomi is better. Then the water tank capacity is better for the Roborock S8. And then the noise level, I was trying to research also, so I would just find it straight up. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10, and what is the noise level? So the noise level for the Xiaomi X10 is, I'll try to just find it here. It's about 60. So the noise level about 60, therefore the Xiaomi got better level comparing to the Roborock S8, but still it's like kind of similar and the weight is also better. So in this regard, the Roborock S8 is dominating Xiaomi in many ways comparing to the suction power, navigation, mopping system, but the dustbin capacity is lower, the water tank capacity is better, and the noise level is a little bit worse comparing to Xiaomi. So I just wanted to make this quick video. I hope it gave you a little bit of value regards what are the differences. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.